You're looking for an opportunity to build a solid business from home? Kaso nga lang, di mo alam kung ano yung gagawin at kung paano mo siya gagawin. At yung hinahanap mo, yung hindi mo nakakailanganin ang malaking puhunan at yung hindi mo nakakailanganin ang gumawa pa ng produkto kasi nga ang hirap-hirap, paano na lang, baka hindi mo na siya magagawa. Ito po si Beth Guscio at sa training na ito ay ituturo ko sa iyo ang pinakamadali at pinakasimple na business model na pwede nating gawin sa online. We are going to talk about what is it, how does it work, and how are we going to build the business that we have been dreaming of that could possibly change our life. Are you now ready? Let's get into my computer so that we can get started right away. Andito na ako sa aking computer and we will now talk about an overview on how to make money online using the business model affiliate marketing. Alright, so handa na ba kayo? Get yourself ready. It would be best if you will get a pen and a notebook so that you can write the important points that we are going to talk about. Now, as what I promised, we're going to talk about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Before we go any further, gusto ko muna kayong tanungin, why do people go with online entrepreneurship? People go with online entrepreneurship because it offers great possibilities to scale up your business. And you can be your own boss. Freedom of time and place. So, being an online entrepreneur, you can be your own boss. Online businesses or online opportunities offers a very low startup, but you will have the chance to have high income. And then you can market worldwide. Your market is unlimited. You can market anywhere around the world while you are just at home and sitting in front of your computer. This is really a great opportunity. So those are the four main reasons why do people go with online entrepreneurship. So what are the most common types of business online? First is e-commerce or drop shipping. And this is very common in Amazon, Amazon.com and eBay. Okay, sa atin sa Pinas, we have Lazada. Right? And we also have Salveo World, the TechnoWise 360. So, yun, nag-o-offer sila ng e-commerce service. Another type of business online is affiliate marketing, in which ito yung pag-uusapan natin in just a second. And then network marketing and service. So, pwede rin mag-offer ka ng service like a graphic designer or a virtual assistant o kaya website builder ka. Then programming or video editing, you can offer your services and then you make money for your service. And then you can also make a course. You can be a course creator or you can develop a training, like for example training on a skill for public speaking or how to speak English. Alright? And then program like detox program, fitness program, diet program. So, marami pang mga pwede nating pagkikitaan sa internet. And then, challenges. So, merong mga paid na Facebook Live challenges o kaya challenges for fitness challenges. Maraming mga iba't ibang pamamaraan na pwede tayong kumita sa online. So, e-commerce dropshipping, affiliate marketing, network marketing, you offer your service or your product and then you create your course and then trainings o kaya training program or challenges and then you promote it and then you sell it online. Those are the most common types of business online. But in this video, we are going to focus on affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing in a nutshell, it is a process of promoting other people's product, opportunity, or service to its possible buyers. And then the affiliate will serve as the middleman between the vendor and the customer. The affiliate will then earn by commission basis depending on the percentage that the vendor gives. Alright? So, now what are the benefits in affiliate marketing? Actually, those very successful affiliate marketers really prefer to do affiliate marketing because of these benefits. First, no need to create your own product. So, mas madali na lang sa'yo na mag-market. Focus ka na lang sa marketing. You will not be having this headache in creating products. So, you won't need to create products. And then, no need to worry about the shipment and the delivery because the vendor and the affiliate network are the ones taking care for the product to be shipped to your customers. You can start with a very minimal startup cost. Hindi mo kakailanganin ng malaking halaga. Pwede ka nang mag-umpisa. Okay, are you enjoying? I hope so. And then there are tons of done for you, yung mga ready-made na campaigns na ang gagawin mo lang ay mag-promote ka na lang. Pag may bumili sa'yo, syempre magkakapera ka. And then you just have to follow simple steps and you're good to go. Okay? And there are tons and tons of training, free training that are available with regard to affiliate marketing. But there are also courses that you need to pay. Well, it will just depend on you. Ako, nag-start na ako ng bumili ng mga international training about affiliate marketing. And this is the reason why I have learned these things and I put it together with my experience and the courses that I took, that I have studied, and I put it together to share to you. Pero kung ikaw nag-umpisa ka pa lang, so pwedeng pakinabangan mo, syempre marami ka ring matutunan sa mga libre na mga training na binibigay ng mga vendors at yung sa mga affiliate network companies. Okay? So you can just take advantage of it. And the best thing is that this affiliate marketing thing offers you the great chances to build a passive income online. Na kahit nasa bahay ka lang, kahit busy ka, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung kita mo. Passive income, it means that you may just do the transaction once, but you will get paid every month. Kasi may mga produkto o may mga opportunities that your customer needs to pay every month for the service or for the opportunity or for the product. And you will also make money every month. It is what we call recurring income. So, passive income. Okay? So, as long as the customer stays with the product, you will make money every month. Cool, right? And then, what are the basic components of affiliate marketing? First, of course, it's the affiliate marketer, the affiliate. And then, the product. Okay? Hindi pwede wala tayong ibibenta na product. Okay, and then the vendor, of course, yung vendor, yung creator ng product, siya din yung vendor. Okay? And then, the marketplace, kung saan tayo magpo-promote, like social media, like Facebook, YouTube, Google, and there are still, like Bing also, Bing, you can also promote with Bing. The tools that you need, of course, you will need a strong internet connection, and you will need a computer. And there are opportunities and there are products that you can just promote kahit cellphone lang ang gamit mo ay pwede na. Like Ascending Profit System ng Unity Network. So, kahit cellphone lang, basta may internet ka, pwede mo nang i-promote yung product mo. Yung Salvayo World, so kahit cellphone lang, pwede mo nang magamit, makapag-umpisa ka na ng negosyo. But if you wanted to prefer on international products, international opportunities, so that's the time na kakailanganin mo na talaga ng laptop o kaya desktop computer. Of course, we're going to talk about how does it work, how does affiliate marketing works. So, listen very carefully. This is very important. First is that the affiliate promotes the product using the link, a unique link. This unique link is provided by the vendor o kaya yung marketing network gaya ng ClickBank o JBSU or Warrior Plus. Sila yung nag-generate ng unique link that will be assigned to you. At yun ang gagamitin mo sa pag-promote ng product na pinipili mo. when the customer clicks on the link. So, you have your link and then you promote the product. So, next is the customer clicks on the link. Now, what happened next? The customer is sent to the vendor's website by tracking on the link. Next that will happen is that the customer makes the purchase on the vendor's website. And then the affiliate network records the purchase and details of the transaction. Like Unity Network, for example. So, Unity Network is the affiliate network. It records the purchase and details of the transaction. O kaya Salveo World. So, sila yung nagre-record, nag-track ng mga transactions. Next is that the purchase is confirmed and validated as a sale. O, ito na yun, ha. Then, the transaction is credited to the referring affiliate, and that would be you. And finally, the affiliate gets paid of his commission. And the cycle repeats. Okay? Paulit-ulit lang yan. Paulit-ulit. So, the more sales you make, the more money you earn. Totoo nga ba talaga to? Meron nga ba talagang mga tao na kumikita na dito at talagang na-achieve na nila yung mga dreams nila? O, tingnan natin ito. Yung totoong mga tao na nagiging successful through affiliate marketing. First is Edward Reformina, Filipino mismo. He's one of the very successful Filipino affiliate. He was just an ordinary man who dreamed to provide his family the life that they deserve. He was a former OFW who realized the importance of being with the family. Kaya na-realize niya kung gaano ka-importante yung kasama mo ang pamilya mo na hindi mo na kakailanganing lumayo pa, pero kumikita ka pa rin. Okay? So, ang ginawa niya, nag-online marketing siya at siya ay naging affiliate marketer. So nag-umpisa siya na walang-wala hanggat sa nag-umpisang kumita, kumakayod, at ngayon, he is one of the very successful affiliate marketers na nagiging milyonaryo. Another one is Angelo Saison. He's also one of the very successful Filipino marketers. He is doing international marketing and he is now living in Japan. He married to an ordinary Japanese woman. He is promoting products in ClickBank, Wire Plus, and JBZoo. And Angelo now is making from 100,000 to 150,000 US dollars every month. And this is true. Pinapatunayan niya to. Okay? You can also check on him if you want. And finally, Jono Armstrong. He is now my mentor with this international courses na inaaral ko. So, Jono Armstrong was a former English teacher who came from UK and then went to Indonesia and never came back. So, he was married to a beautiful Indonesian lady. Yung pangalan niya si Sichi. Sobrang bait at sobrang ganda din. Anyway, Jono Armstrong is an international affiliate marketer and also a great product creator. And he is generating an income of $80,000 to $150,000 every month. By the way, he is now promoting an in-depth training course wherein he gives in-depth coaching. Dito tinuturo niya, pinapakita niya paano niya nakuha yung income na 80,000 to 150,000 US dollars buwan-buwan. Okay, so kung interesado ka na matuto, just message me and I'll give you the information. Alright, so the internet has visualized a pretty nice picture of affiliate marketing so far, right? That anyone can do and generate income to replace your 9-to-5 job and achieve the time and financial freedom that you have been dreaming of. Pag may freedom ka na, then you will be able to do what you want, where you want, and when you want it. Well, it's true. Parami na ang mga tao na kumikita na talaga ng malaki marketing this way. And it's the best way to make a living if your key goal is fast and straightforward income. Pretty cool, right? So it's very sweet and so promising to hear and see, especially at the time when you are really stressed on your daily rat race. But the big question is this really for you? And do you have what it takes to be a successful affiliate marketer? Ano sa tingin nyo? So if you have questions, please do not hesitate. I would really be glad to assist you. Just DM me, direct message me through my Facebook page, Pinoy Online Success. Or you can also send me an email to gushubeth@gmail.com. So that would be all for now. Thank you for watching, and Beth Gushu here, your coach in affiliate marketing.